That I didn't check it out. That Rodney did.
Yeah. You answer like 6 questions and then you tag 2 other people.
We weren't one of them, were we?
Who answered? No. I was like, well, thank you.
He's like, oh, are you sure? I'm sure. Like, actually, which one of us is going to do it, actually?
We're not YouTubers. We just record random shit and just cannot throw it on there.
Really, do you need to start a...
Jimmy's watching right now. How does that make you feel?
Is that maybe, Jimmy, maybe?
It's maybe, Jimmy, maybe. Because it's M-E-B-E.
Yeah, he's like, oh my god, you still got that mat?
Oh shit, you still have that mat? I like got text him. I was like, is this still Jimmy? It's like, is there a chink in the chain? It's like, oh, it's definitely an Asian. How does every Asian that plays Yu-Gi-Oh! Is named Jimmy? And then
Did you already start it?
Pong, oh, yeah. Usually I'll just always like, yeah, and I have just staring at each other. Did you ever use a video edit thing on the PS3? Sure. Sure. Instant fusion. What? It impair wind up more than it would hitting like random tour guide and leaving the rest of the deck alone.
But I can still attempt to activate.
You can pay the cost, but you won't get your effect from factory.
I think you do.
You can't attempt to activate the card. That's the reason that you can't play Bracket.
Because you can still remove it.
That's because it's a cost.
But you have to attempt to activate a card before you
No,
can pay the cost.
you can pay the cost on any of these cards, but you can't, right? You wouldn't search a factory if I activated Veiler right away?
Wand effect is activated. But you have to be able to attempt to activate the effect to pay the cost.
It's just that that won't go off.
Yeah, sure. It's good. Unsearch.
Okay.
Alright, watch it?
Yeah.
That's good how they use. See it. Oh, tap. Got it. What was the other question? One. Sure.
Review. Yeah.
What do you got, dude?
7K.
It is.
I should have attempted to activate just...
Fair.
Let's go. 23. 1,000.
Why didn't you just kill the rabbit?
Because I can slug it. Yep.